Le Van Gourmet is more than just a camper van, it's a fully personalized, luxury living space on wheels, perfect for those who crave adventure and culinary freedom. The van is a stunning example of how modern van conversions can combine aesthetic appeal with functionality, creating a mobile home that offers both comfort and convenience. What makes Le Van Gourmet stand out is its meticulously designed interior, especially its top-of-the-line kitchen, which is the heart of this custom camper. The transformation starts with the van's exterior, which has been carefully crafted to blend into the urban and natural landscapes. The exterior color, a sleek combination of matte finishes and polished surfaces, enhances the van's sleek, minimalist appearance. However, it's the interior that steals the show, particularly the kitchen. This kitchen is no ordinary space, it's designed for culinary enthusiasts who want to cook on the go. The chef-inspired setup includes high-end appliances like a 2-burner stove, compact refrigerator, and a built-in oven, all seamlessly integrated into the van's layout. The cabinetry inside is a sight to behold, with ample storage options that allow the owner to pack everything needed for long trips, from pots and pans to gourmet ingredients. A fold-out countertop provides additional workspace, making meal prep a breeze even in confined spaces. This design doesn't just focus on practicality but incorporates aesthetic touches such as polished wood and soft, ambient lighting, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere wherever you park. Beyond the kitchen, the rest of Le Van Gourmet is just as thoughtfully designed. The living space features a comfortable seating area that transforms into a cozy bed at night. High-quality materials throughout, including leather seating and custom upholstery, elevate the van's luxurious feel. Storage is optimized with built-in compartments and clever design features like overhead cabinets and underbed drawers. Le Van Gourmet is also equipped with everything needed for an off-grid lifestyle. Solar panels provide energy, while a built-in water filtration system ensures a constant supply of fresh water. The van's heating and cooling systems make it suitable for all climates, ensuring that you're always comfortable, no matter where your travels take you. The beauty of Le Van Gourmet lies in its versatility. Whether you're cooking a 5-star meal in the wilderness or simply enjoying a quiet night under the stars, this camper van provides the ultimate freedom. It's a space where culinary passion meets adventure, allowing you to explore the world without sacrificing comfort. For anyone looking to embrace the van life without compromising on luxury, Le Van Gourmet is the ideal choice. Its high-end design, fully functional kitchen, and clever use of space make it the perfect home on the road. If you're ready to take your van life experience to the next level, this custom-built, gourmet kitchen-equipped van offers the ultimate freedom machine.